Yes, Master Hans, happy birthday. Many, many more birthdays to come. Come what may from you for me.
Birthday, Master! Thank you sa pag-accept sa Moto Republic at thank you rin sa inyo sa lahat. Sa paghila ng motor. Sa paghila ng motor, sa pagtayo ng motor ko.
Nadagasgas.
So, nagpapasalamat ako at yung motor kong si Oscar sa'yo.
Yeah.
So, happy birthday, Master! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Yeah.
Hi birthday, Master Hans Ryan.
Happy birthday, Hans, Brian, Master. Ayan, mo birthday sa top and yan, safe ride.
Happy birthday, Master Hans.
Master Hans, happy birthday. Siguro kilala mo pa naman ako kahit hindi na tayo nagkakasama mag-ride. Pero lagi ko naman binabanggit sa kanila. Sabi ko, when I grow up, I want to be like Tito Hans, di ba? Matiraman lang ako dyan malapit sa Leola. Charot. So enjoy your day, Master. Ride soon. South.
Master Hans, happy birthday sa'yo ha. Maraming birthday at dumating sa buhay mo. Lalo na ang blessings. Pero ganito nagpapabibigit ka. Ang lagay wala man lang. Pero ganun pa ba? Happy birthday sa'yo ha. God bless.
Yo, ako nga pala ngayon din ng Crazy Mix at pinapati ko ng happy birthday ang President ng Moto Republic, si Boss Hans Bryant. Yan, sana marami pang birthday dumating sa buhay nyo at kita-kits po tayo soon.
Yo, word up mga kaibigan, this big shoutout nga pala kay Hans Bryant at binabati ko ng happy birthday at sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating. God bless, stay safe, stay healthy, this Flick G.
Happy birthday, Sir Hans! More birthdays to come! God bless and ride safe!
Hi, ito po si Sisa mula po sa grupo ng Crazy As Kumayat sa inyo ng mga kapiya po. Nabinabati po si Boss Hans Brian ng Moto Republic. Siya po ang president. So, God bless po sa inyo. Happy birthday. See you soon po.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy Aiki. Happiest birthday, Master Hans. Wish you all the best at matupad lahat ng wish mo. Mag-ride tayo very soon. Maraming salamat palagi sa suporta, pag-ibig at pagmamahal para sa Motorcycle Republic. Happy birthday, Master Hans. Whoop whoop!
Happy birthday, Sir Hans! Thank you so much sa support palagi for M-World family. We really appreciate you, Sir Hans. More powers, Motor Republic.
Yo, ako po si Basilio. Gusto ko lang pumatiin ng happy birthday ang Presidente ng Moto Republic na si Boss Hans Bryant. Yan. Boss, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi. More power. God bless. Mabuhay po kayo.
Hello po, Master Hans. Happy birthday sa'yo. Basta huwag mo lang kalilimutan yung sex life mo. Yeah.
Yo, this is Matt Sapit ng Flip Top at Sapit ko ng Tondo Gang. Nagbumabati ng isang malupit na happy birthday kay Sir Hans Bryant, Moto Republic President. Sir, happy birthday po. More birthdays to come at stay healthy, pati na rin sa iyong family. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Master Hans! Kuya Randy, mabante. Pakain ka raw, painom, at lahat.
Hi, Sir Hans. Happy birthday.
Birthday, boss.
Ride safe po lagi.
God bless.
Hello! Happy birthday, Master Hans! God bless you. Ingat ka po palagi. And more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Boss Hans. In behalf of Kikai's Elite, I would like to take this opportunity to express our deepest gratitude for your mentorship and for being an inspiration to all of us, being such a good leader and leading by example. Maraming salamat sa iyo, boss, for inspiring us to pursue our passion into riding. And of course, I'm looking forward for more rides with you and I hope you'll enjoy your day and kita-kita tayo this Saturday.
Dali! Birthday ngayon ni Master Hans! Babatiin ko muna siya pag kumakain ng dinosaur! Master Hans! Happy birthday! Nawin sana pagpalain ka pa! At dumami pa ang iyong anak ay este ang iyong birthday! Happy birthday, Master! I love you!
Boss Hans, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana masaya ka ngayong karawan mo. Tsaka sana mabigyan mo ko ng motor mo. Dumami pa ang motor mo. Kasama ko si Mrs.
Happy birthday po. Stay looking young forever.
Stay looking young forever!
Hi, Dad. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Stay handsome and more birthdays to come. Ride safe always. Love you.
Gusto ko lang batiin ng kaibigan ko. Happy birthday sa'yo. Magba-birthday ka pa pala. Kuya Hans, sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw ng iyong birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka. Ako, kitang-kita mo naman sa mukha ko. Masayang-masaya ako. Dahil birthday mo. Sana lang huling birthday mo na to. Ngayong taon. Tapos next year ulit. Ha? Kasi isang birthday lang naman, isang taon eh. Sana mag-enjoy ka. I love you. Happy birthday!
Hello, first of all, sorry hindi ako nakapunta sa iyong special day. Pero happy birthday sa nag-iisang master na Moto Republic. Alam mo, since day one, hindi ka talaga nagbago. Sobrang approachable mo. You make people comfortable talaga. As in every ride, inuupuan mo kada table eh. Hindi lang siya basta-basta hi, hello eh. Nakikipagkwentuhan ka sa kanila. And alam mo, for me, I think yun talaga yung main reason kung bakit lumalaki yung pamilya natin. Yung hindi yun about sa mga volunteers na gumagawa ng ride, hindi about sa website. It's about yung sincerity mo talaga sa pakikisama sa mga riders natin. And yun talaga yung binabalik-balikan ng mga tao. Sabi mo dati, napag-usapan natin dati, gusto mong legacy is ma-share yung mga experiences natin sa rides to the website. Pero you have created something na better. You're a great leader and a best friend. So, happy birthday, Hans. I love you, bro.
Good morning, Master Hans. Gumising lang ako para bati ka ng happy birthday. A good health, more blessing, and be safe always. Love you, bro. Love you. Good night ulit.
Sa pinaka-totoo at loyal na tao na kakilala ko, happiest birthday, my BFF, Master Hans, and huwag mo kalilimutan, love na love kita, and I'm always appreciative lahat ng ginagawa mo, lahat ng tinutulong mo, di lang sa akin, pati sa buong community. We are so blessed to have you, and again, mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday!
One day, like a tidal wave, a hurricane, like a thunderstorm, the pouring rain, it comes rolling in. And right away, oh, it hits you like a ton of lead. Oh yeah, it'll mess with your head. You won't know where to begin. You can't keep up, you fall behind. You lost your aim, can't clear your mind. Like a fire burning wild, a freight train you can't stop. Like a nightmare, but this time you don't wanna wake up. It pulls you in, it takes over, you just can't let go of the worst, best thing that's ever happened to you.